Yeah, I'm out here at this park. It's a pretty nice park. And earlier I saw Konasty doing his poppy flower flight. And we've got our own little orange flowers here, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Anyways, I'm back at exploring some new spots. And yeah, I guess otherwise I really wanted to talk about some other things, about some updates on life as well. But yeah, first I've got to go fly because I'm kind of feeling a bit pooped right now. Okay, well I just finished flying and I just want to give you guys an update on things. Well, before, in first semester, in the beginning of this school year, I would often on Saturdays, just dedicate one full day to making a video, an adventure vlog, and that's what I'm kind of doing today. I'm going to a brand new place, trying it out on flying and things like that, and yeah, it's just, recently what happened was that now I'm taking 19 credit hours this semester, and it's really stressful, to be honest. I even have like developed a bit of stress-induced insomnia. Literally can't sleep at night sometimes, just because of how stressful it is. And yeah, I remember in first semester I used to make like maybe 1 to 2 videos a week, and now I just realized I can't do that anymore. And I guess on the FPV part, I guess probably gonna be making a bit less videos now because yeah, anyways, probably gonna be switching off to doing one video every 1 or 2 weeks as opposed to 1 or 2 videos a week. So yeah, I guess that's it. Gotta go, I guess. So currently here about to join a study session, and yeah, anyways, I personally think that 19 credits is not very much. Typically students inside this school take somewhere between 15 and 16 credits normally a semester, but I'm taking 19. It's a lot in comparison to that, but I do know some people who are working jobs and things like that, and also taking that amount of credits, or some people who are going even over 20 credits, so I don't know, I guess everything's relative, but yeah, anyways, I guess that's it, and yeah, I guess I've got to go because I've got a test tomorrow, I've got to study for it, and I'm completely unprepared, and yeah, I guess till next time.